Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about other ways you can cook when your normal cooking ways go. All right, so other ways to cook. Now, if you're a camper and you go out camping and stuff, you already know a bunch of ways. But for a lot of people that don't get out into the wilds and don't do stuff in the backyard, special cooking things, we got a few tips here for you. And even for those that do, I may have a few tips to surprise you. All right, other ways to cook. All right, so I'm going to throw a monkey wrench in everybody's plan. Well, some people go, I got cook stove, camping stoves, and the backpacking stoves and that stuff too. Good, that's great for the summer. What about if suddenly you're in freezing temperatures like what happened to Texas this year? Oops, yeah, they got freezing rain and snow and some other stuff and really bad conditions. And a lot of them, lost their power and they had electric stoves. Something to think about. So some of the things I want to talk to you about the ways to do it. Now, if you have a covered patio and you got a barbecue grill, hey, you can cook a lot of stuff in a barbecue grill. You can even do pizza in a barbecue grill. They have the pizza stones you get to put in there. You preheat it, and then you cook your pizza on it. And there's a lot of other ways to do it too. If you have a fireplace, and you build a fire in there, hey, if you get a little grate stand they use for campfires, and you stick it inside your fireplace, you can cook in there on it. Something to think about. Something else here. I'm just looking at my list over here. You have a wood-burning stove. If it's a good wood-burning stove, you can cook on it. It may be slow, but you can cook on it. I've actually boiled water on my wood-burning stove, not trying to boil water, just to try to get some humidity into the air. You can also, if you have a wood-burning stove, if you go back and look at my one video, Fix It in Foil, one of the Your Prep for Today videos, yeah, you can cook potatoes, steaks, and everything, roll it up in several layers of foil, and put it in the coals in your wood-burning stove. Of course, if it's summertime, you can do. If you have the barbecue grill, and you don't want to actually grill on top of it, you can set up some coals in there, put them in there, and just let it go and let it die down. Dutch ovens are another way to cook. So there's a lot of ways that you can cook other than on your stove in the house. Now, I'm going to throw in something else at you. You say, well, I got a gas stove. The power goes out. I'm fine. How much stuff do you cook in your microwave? Do you have an electric coffee pot to heat up your coffee? Do you have a kettle to go on your gas stove to give you the hot water to do your coffee when your electric coffee pot isn't working because the power's out? Things to think of. Think outside the box. Look at what you're using and say, okay, if I can't use this, how can I do the same thing? And that's what this is all about. Other ways to cook things you eat, drink, whatever. All righty? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, both in food and supplies. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.